Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be showing you how to apply Olixar's wet application film screen protector to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Once we have applied the screen protector, we will test it out to see how well it works and give it a review. Before we begin this process, check that your device does not have a protective film already applied. This will need to be removed as it would cause a problem during the application. We will be making use of all tools provided in this pack, so make sure you have them ready to hand. To begin with, take the cleaning wipe and give your screen a thorough wipe down. This will remove any traces of dirt and debris sitting on your display. Next, use the microfiber cloth to dry the screen. This will also help to remove any leftover dirt. Finally, unpeel the dust removal sticker and dab on your display like so. This will lift any fine pieces of dust that may still be left on your screen. Next, ensure you have the wet application wipe and screen protector to hand. Paying close attention to the instruction labels on the protector, peel back label 2. Next, peel back label 1. This will expose the adhesive of the screen protector, so be careful not to touch this side with your fingers. Next, take the wet application wipe and wipe down this side of the screen protector, ensuring all areas are wet. Now it's time to apply the protector to your display. With the wet side face down, carefully lower the film down to your phone, taking care to ensure you match up the cutouts to the Mate 20 Pro's features. As this is a wet application, you will be able to remove the protector around a little to line it up perfectly. Once you are happy with the alignment, use your finger to hold down the protector at about halfway on the display. Next, take the rubber application tool and push out the liquid from the top of the phone. This particular method will ensure the film does not slip or slide when you continue the process. Carefully use the rubber application tool to push the liquid out of the sides until you are satisfied it is completely removed. Using the microfiber cloth, push the sides of the screen protector down, securing it to your phone. If you find the edges are not sticking down, use the wet application wipe to dampen the edges and press down firmly again. You may find that you have a few bubbles or a rainbow effect when your display is turned on. This will correct itself overnight as the adhesive sets fully. On first glance, this protector does exactly what it says on the tin. It protects the Mate 20 Pro from light scratches and scrapes while maintaining its sleek look and feel. While this isn't a glass screen protector, it does offer full protection. However, big bangs and drops to the floor may still be an issue. With the protector on, you can still use your phone with no limitations. One of the main things we tested was the fingerprint reader, as Huawei has this feature under the display. During our tests, we had no issues using the fingerprint reader as it worked every time. We also found that this protector provides seamless functionality, almost as though it is not on the display. As most film screen protectors tend to have a noticeable touch, this is what you would expect from this. However, it feels invisible and mimics the feel of the display itself. The great thing about this film screen protector is it's compatible with most phone cases, meaning you can provide all-round protection for your phone with no issues. A great thing about this pack is it comes with 2 screen protectors, meaning if you make a mistake or you'll find the screen protector wears away over time, you can repeat this process with the extra protector. Personally, I think this is a great choice for anybody wanting protection from light scratches and scrapes. It doesn't impede on any of the features and is barely noticeable. The extra screen protector included in this pack is a bonus and is great value for money. I hope you found this tutorial and review useful. If you would like more information or are interested in purchasing this screen protector or a case for your phone, then please see the links in the description and comments below.